whiteout conditions. We saw that weather. When you watch our reporters out in the field tonight, you can see just from what's behind.
This is looking out the backyard from the bedroom window. You can make out the dock down there, but we've been having a hard time seeing the trees on the other side of the pond. And normally from here, they're very visible. And then if you look out this way to where the dam is, nothing. Complete whiteout. It's been snowing since like about 6:30 this morning, but it was pretty light until about an hour ago, and it's just doing nothing but getting worse. There's a drift down there by the steps. We had some ice yesterday, so some of it's blowing off like off the deck, but some of these drifts are already 2 feet deep. I definitely haven't seen snow like this since living in Nebraska. Never here. Spring can't get here soon enough. I swear, there's going to be a party here in the pond with cold beers every frickin' weekend this summer. It's Snowpocalypse 2011. And you can kind of see the trees on the other side there now.